Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Webtech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how to add caption to image in Google Docs. Okay, so there is a one easy way to add the caption in on image in Google Docs. I'll show in my desktop. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let's start with the video. Let's go on my Google Docs. So guys, here I am on my Google Drive and let me open the one Google Docs blank file. Okay, so this is my file and now I'm going to insert image. But before you insert image, if you want to add the caption on your Google Docs, go to the insert and go to the drawing and go to the new. Okay, so this drawing tab will be open. Now you have to insert image. Just click on image and you can insert image from your Google Drive, or you can simply search from your device. So I just simply search from my device. So I have one image here, car image. Okay, so it will be upload. Let me upload again. It is upload now. Okay, this is my car image. So I want to add the caption, so I can easily add. So you can first take the shape from here. Okay, just add the shapes. The shape has been added here. Now go to the text box, add the text box, write the car image. Your caption name you have to write. Just select the text and make it in center. Just click on this dot option, go to this center. Now just click again and hold here and just okay, hold and just go up or down or adjust as per your requirement. So this is a car caption has been done. Now you can also make transparency of this shape. So just click on shape, select the shape, go to the color, go to the transparency, and it make it transfers like this. Okay. We can also add this caption below the image. So I just show you to delete everything. So this is text, so I just move text in here. Okay, so yeah, text has been moved. You can move image also. Okay, you can see. Now you can just click save and close. You can see the whole image has been done here. Okay, this image and caption, the image with caption insert here. You can also move it like three dot, go click on it, so now you can able to move it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.